In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in Microsoft Outlook. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confidently attach the right file every time without any guesswork. Start by composing your message. Open Outlook and create a new message window so you're writing your email. In that message window, look along the top for the ribbon, the set of tabs and buttons that control formatting and tools. Click the Insert tab to reveal tools specifically for adding things to your message, like pictures, links, and of course, files. Next, click Attach File. This is the command that tells Outlook you want to include a document with your email. When you click it, you'll see options that help you find the file you need quickly. You have two convenient choices. First is Recent Items. This shows files you've opened or worked on recently, which is perfect when the document you need is fresh in your memory. If you see the file you want in that list, select it and you're practically done. If it's not there or you're not sure where it is, choose Browse This PC. That opens a File Explorer window so you can navigate to the exact folder on your computer or connected drive. Once the file picker is open, go to the folder where your document is stored. Click the file you want to attach, then select Insert. Outlook will add the attachment to your message, and you should see the file name appear beneath the subject line or near the top of the email window, depending on your layout. That visual confirmation is your cue that the file is successfully attached. A few helpful tips as you do this. Make sure the file you're attaching is saved. Attachments reflect the version on your computer at the time you insert them. If you just finished editing, hit Save in your app before you return to Outlook. Keep file names clear and descriptive so your recipient immediately understands what they're receiving. Also, be mindful of file size. Very large files can take longer to upload and may be blocked by some mail systems. So keeping attachments reasonably small improves reliability. If you need to attach more than one file, simply repeat the same process from Attach File and add additional documents as needed. Before you finish your email, glance at the attachment area to verify everything you intended to include is there. That's it. Compose your message, go to the Insert tab, click Attach File, choose Recent Items or Browse This PC, select your file, insert it. You're ready to send a